What's up, riders? Old Man Ronin here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm sitting at Wendy's parking lot on my way over to Fink's Harley Davidson for their annual Harley swap meet, which is one of the largest in the state. I had something interesting happen. A gentleman ahead of me actually paid for my breakfast, and the lady at the counter said that the person ahead of them paid for their breakfast. So, of course, we had to pay it forward and pay for the person behind us. So that's pretty cool. You know, this small town life is where it's at as far as I'm concerned, because I don't see you get that pretty much anywhere else. But on our way over to Fink's Harley for the swap meet, we're going to do a time lapse on our way over there. I hope you enjoy it, and stay tuned. Well, pardon the sun flare. Not sure exactly what we're going to find out here, but let's get an idea. Yeah, we're here with the Disabled Veterans organization, and they want to tell you about what's going on here in the next couple of weeks.
Hi, I'm Dennis Lavender, Vice President, Disabled Veterans Outdoors. This is Ed Halsey, he's the president. And we have a board member, Robert Schreiner. And we do outdoor activities for any disabled vet. Disability does not have to be military related, but as long as they were a vet and they have a disability, they're got two big fishing things. We hooked up with the catfish clubs in Ohio, and they're going to sponsor, they're going to take their boats, and we got two catfish deals coming up. One is up at Lake Erie, the other one is down at Rocky Fork, down at Rocky Fork, and then we're working on putting together a walleye trip. We have a big annual picnic and boat ride at Burr Oak in August. We've got, let's see, we've got a turkey hunt set up for the fall. We've got 3 or 4 deer hunts set up for the fall. It's all free for disabled vets. So we have a website. If you want to go on the website, it's disabledvetsoutdoors.org. It tells you a little bit about us and who's involved and what we do. And thank you.
Hey, that's awesome. I mean, we got to support our vets no matter what. So definitely go on their website and check them out. Well, I got some screws and some snap rings that I always lose. Let's take a look at a few of these newer bikes. I really do like the Slim. I think it's one of the prettiest models they got now, besides the Sport Glide, which would be the one that I would buy if I could afford a new Harley. And who doesn't love a Springer? You gotta like them. Talking to Tony in there, the general manager of Fink, and he was telling me that they have a revival that's coming in, but it's already sold. Well, you know, hopefully they keep it for a few weeks to show it off a little bit, but you never know.
Right, $2. 3, 4, 5, and 10, my dear sir. Thank you so much.
All right, what's your name and the name of your truck? Let's get that recorded.
Bravo Bike Concessions, Kelly Haynes.
All right, Kelly, thank you. Appreciate it. Well, I'll do a shade tree and a Her Two Wheels version. Delicious. That's pretty damn good. Well, we're getting ready to leave the swap meet today. Really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun making, and it's cool seeing some of the old parts. I ended up just getting a few screws, so I could have rode the motorcycle over. Well, if you liked the video, again, big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button, share and comment. You know, I read all the comments and comment on as many as I possibly can. Until next time, ride safe, keep your on 2 wheels, baby.